So with that, I would love to introduce Chaitra Vidulapalli. She is the president and co-founder of Women in Cloud. She is an advocate for creating economic access for women in tech. And we're so happy to have her with us today. Chaitra, welcome.
Thank you, Raisa. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Hello, it's Friday. Are you all excited? It's Friday. Yes, yes, yes. I love those emojis flying. So we are really excited to have you here. And today we all have made a decision and we have made a choice to be here. So let's make sure it can be instrumental in changing your life. So here's a question I'll ask you, and then we'll go into the discussion. What skill do you need to acquire to achieve your next goal? Go ahead and put it in the chat. What skill do you need to acquire to achieve your next goal? For me, it was fundraising stuff, so which we spent a lot of time this week to really figure out how can we really do the right thing so we can create more access for women in the tech industry. So I'm Chaitra Vidulapalli. I'm the co-founder and president of Women in Cloud. So we are a community-led and economic development organization designed for creating $1 billion in economic access for female tech founders in partnership with the Fortune brands and communities. So we focus on 3 areas. The first one we focus on is the female tech entrepreneurship and also the innovation to foster economic development. The second thing that we are also doing is building partnership with the Fortune brands and the communities to accelerate cloud employability for women. So all of you are here thinking entrepreneurs, think about hiring women in those tech jobs, and tech companies think about hiring women in those tech jobs and how we can accelerate together. And the third one is to drive nonpartisan political advocacy work to advance policies that create and retain economic access for women. So last week, we rolled out the 2021 edition of the COVID-19 report. And as part of it, one of the data that we felt was very, very interesting and also very possible to execute. So one they asked for is 70% of women entrepreneurs in our network stated that the number one request was a warm introduction to an advisor, a leader, or a mentor who can transform the trajectory of their career through the power of collective access and action. Do you all agree with that? Do you all agree that we want more warm introduction? Yes? Yes? Okay, I love it. Like, I love that people are saying yes. Well, we have made it possible. So we formally are rolling out the Cloud Leader Circle, where all these leaders across the industry are ready to work with you, meet with you, advise you to really take you to a next trajectory. So as part of it, we already have 75 people who have raised their hand and they are already configured. So I would like all of you to do today a homework after this session is go to Get Introduced app and request at least a warm introduction for yourself. And we will do is ensure that we will reach out to them, get their approval, and get you connected. And then next week, we are rolling out is a 7-day Get Introduced challenge to really help all of them become an influential cloud advisor in our ecosystem, because becoming an advisor is great. Becoming an influential advisor requires a different skilling. So that is the skill that we will be focusing on in the next 2 weeks, up to 3 weeks, and getting at least 250 people ready to be here to advise our community and really advance their opportunity in the tech industry. So why are we here? We are here because we believe that the more strategic partnerships we have with the Fortune brands, we can definitely advance the economic development. So for us, this week was Boeing, and we are so fortunate to have Boeing be with us. They are the largest aerospace company, and that was number 2 choice on the entrepreneur list. The first one was retail, because the retail was dying very quickly. So everyone said we need to have a lot of retail company. The second one was aerospace, and we literally reached out to Cara South and Jennifer Davis from Boeing, absolutely spectacular leaders in the ecosystem. to really invite and do this Lunch and Learn series so we can help more women get into learning about Boeing and understand what the potential opportunities are. That's why we have the Lunch and Learn series. So a little bit about Boeing. If you want to go and learn about them, go on Google and you can find, but they are the largest aerospace company and a leading manufacturer of commercial jetliners, defense, space, security system, and service providers of the aftermarket support. As America's biggest manufacturing exporter, the company supports airlines, US, and the allied government customers in more than 150 countries. So they are one of our global partner. Boeing products and tailored services include commercial, military aircraft, satellites, weapons, electronic and defense system, launch system, advanced information and communication system, and performance-based logistics and training. And today you get to meet the people who make the company the largest aerospace company, and you get to learn the culture, you get to learn about how they work with entrepreneurs, how they really advance women in their careers. So with that, I'm so excited to invite Carousel. She's been there from the day one with Women in Cloud.